OJ channel, starter strip, straight.
Let's keep it going. Yeah. Don't stop. Just move. Yeah, yeah. Y'all know this feeling, right? Y'all know what time it is. Let me move you. Let me move you. Let me move you in a way that you've never been moved before. I mean the way the dancers slide across the dance floor. I mean the way the people hear the music in the club and just bang their heads.
Trim board, we're getting a nice look on it. Some cold molding between the blocks. Just finishing up right now.
Once that bass line come in, you can't do nothing but ride. You know,
Here we are. We just installed vinyl cedar shake siding on this house. We're on the front now, and as you can see, it was a tear-off.
You can see the lumber. What we've done here, instead of putting a column on the bottom,
feel it in your bones. I know you feel it in your hands, your head, your eyeballs, your feet, your toes, your body movements just
OJ channel,
can't stop
starter
dancing.
strip, straight.
Can't stop. Can't stop dancing. Dancing. Can't stop dancing.
For your free consultation and estimate, or go to one of our websites.
You see, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install.